SCM Connections knows implementing a robust system like IBP comes with challenges. Configuring the system down to the last detail can often lead to uncertainty around implementation timelines and potential budget creep. That's why we created the SCM Planning Accelerator Resource Kit, Spark, to ignite your supply chain. Spark packages are pre-configured solutions that make supply chain planning simple and effective. These packages can have you up and running with SAP IBP in just 12 weeks. Build your supply chain planning using 4 modules: Sales and Operations Planning, IBP resources, and battle-tested business process flows that put everyone on the same page. This package walks your team through master data cleansing and statistical forecasting to arrive at an unconstrained demand plan, and reconciles that plan with the real-world constraints of a complex supply chain. Demand. The first step towards a demand-driven supply chain is accurately predicting demand, and Spark makes it easy. We offer resources to simplify data cleansing, compare forecasting levels and algorithms, and collaborate between business units. Inventory optimization allows you to minimize inventory costs while still meeting your target service level. You can run what-if scenarios to test the impact of changing policies, analyze the effects of variability in the supply chain, create custom alerts, and more, all through a familiar front-end interface. Supply. Effective resource utilization, minimize production lead times, and finish goods out the door. That's the bottom line. Spark will change the way you look at operations, helping your business meet demands while optimizing production and transportation schedules to minimize unnecessary costs. Everything you need to get up and running with SAP IBP. Configuration, templates, dashboards, and training, ready to work for you all at one fixed price. Spark, ignite your supply chain. For more information, visit scmconnections.com.